Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn about CRUD operations. Let's put MongoDB to work. Today we will learn the four essential database operations: create, read, update and delete, also known as CRUD. So today's topics are: what is CRUD, create and read, update, delete and a real life scenario. What is CRUD? So in CRUD, C is known as create, which will adds new data, and R is stands for read, which retrieved the data, and U stands for update, which modify existing data, and D is for delete, which removes the data. Now we will do create and read. So for create, we will use this command db.users.insert1 and then this values. Let's try this in database. So now I'm opening this MongoDB shell. This and add a user with db.users.insert this brackets and curly braces, name, colon, double inverted commas, John, then comma, age, colon 25, and then enter. Now this is acknowledged too, and we also got a ID. Now we will use this read method by using this command db.users.find db.users.find in this brackets. Now we are getting this all the users added in this db. Now for finding this specific user, we can write this command db.users.find brackets curly braces age colon curly braces and dollar sign GT20 and enter. We got this data. Now for next is our update. So for updating the user, we can use this command. We will type db dot users dot update 1 these brackets curly braces name colon John and this after this curly brace comma again in the curly brace dollar set colon and again curly brace age colon 26. Okay, we got this response. I acknowledge true, inserted at email, matched count and modified count 1. Now we will use the find command and check the user is updated or not. Like here we can check age is 26. Now our update is done. Now we will try this delete one. db.users.delete one. Name, colon, double inverted commas and John. Now the acknowledge is true, and now we will again run the find command. Our age is equal to 26. Document is deleted. Now in this real life scenario, our collection is like this, like name is equal to visa, email, and is active true. Now this CRUD operation will be used to register a new user, which is create, show profile is read, edit settings means for update, and delete account is for delete. Now within just a few commands we can manage our entire MongoDB database. In the next video we will look at schemas and relationship, how to design data for real world apps. These are our contact details. Thank you for your attention, guys. Bye.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.